If you were using Claude in 2026 and you're still struggling to build an AI agent, this is for you. Turns out an agent is just a skill, and there's one plugin that builds them in 10 minutes. I'll pull back the curtain and show you exactly what I mean. The old way of building agents was typically through NAN workflows or custom code. And these are a lot more difficult to put together than a custom Claude skill. And Anthropic has publicly stated to focus on building skills versus building agents. And most important to understand, a Claude skill is nothing more than a named worker with access to its own tools and routing. So essentially it knows what it can touch and when to load what. And it's packaged up in plain Markdown, which is essentially just a text file. And your skill, aka agent instructions, are readable by yourself, and it's not custom code. And I've built over 40 plus skills, and this is 10 times easier than the old way of doing things. To your relief, a Claude skill is nothing more than a folder with files inside. This is a skill that I built last week, and it has multiple folders inside of the mother folder here, as you can see. This is the beginning of everything. It's the triggers, the persona, and the commands. And it's outside of all the subfolders inside of the skill folder right here. The second one is the context file. The context file is everything that the skill should know to operate. We could see that context file right here with everything it needs to know about my business. And we can take a look at the frameworks here, and it's all the playbooks that the skill needs to understand. Essentially the methods that it's going to follow, and there are 4 particular frameworks inside of here. The tasks are essentially the workflows that it needs to follow. And there's one file here inside of tasks. It tells Claude how to put everything together and create a cohesive workflow around the frameworks, the context, and ultimately the skill MD. And last but not least, we have templates. This is how the agent will understand what the output should look like when it's done running the skill or workflow inside of the skill. And a quick disclaimer, I'm using agents and skills interchangeably because they're pretty much the same thing. And ultimately what you guys came here for is the one plugin that allows me to build my skills in minutes with no hassle, no trial and error, and that plugin is called SkillSmith. In a second, I'm going to show you how I use this plugin inside of my Claude Code setup, and we'll build a skill live. But before I do that, it's important for you to understand there's one command with 4 different routing available. So we could chat with SkillSmith about interviewing an idea and turning it into a spec file. We can move it into Scaffold and actually build the skill. We could take long form YouTube videos or other SOPs and distill them into frameworks that can be turned into skills. And ultimately we can audit pre-existing skills and other frameworks inside of your Claude Code setup to improve them over time. So before I show you guys how to use it in real time, this is going to be the repo link, and if you guys want access to it, it's going to be in the description below. To install it, just scroll down until you see this install command, grab it, open a fresh terminal, paste this in, click enter, and just follow the steps. Once it's installed, all you're going to do is type in /skillsmith, let it run, and here are our choices, and we're going to go through Discover. To keep it fun and relevant, I was thinking about creating a skill called Social Media Guru. I have something similar inside of my workspace. It's called Viral Audit, as you can see right here. It'll go through my Instagram and YouTube and tell me what's working and what's not based off of engagement, follows, things of that nature. But we're going to create a simple version here together. But most importantly, if you guys are enjoying this content and getting value out of this particular video, please drop a like and consider subscribing because it's going to be the best way to support me. And I drop 1 to 2 videos like this every single week. And after running Viral Audit, I found that 90% of my viewers aren't even subscribed. So if you guys love the content I'm dropping, please subscribe or else I'll create a skill to find you. Anyways, I'm going to use Whisper here. I'm going to drop a prompt and we're going to start building this skill together. And you guys can pause to see the prompt that I had put in here, but essentially I wanted Claude to create a social media guru command so I can activate it with a / command. I wanted to pull my social media data from YouTube and Instagram of the past 30 days of content. I wanted to act as a creative director, drop a markdown file with all the data, with my videos ranked from best to worst. And this got chopped up here, but I wanted to find the best Apify actors. I'll explain what that is in a sec. And then I gave it some context as to how to rank the videos for me. I then explained the format of how I want the output to look. And then ultimately some interview questions of what we should do with the videos once we actually found the top performers. Last but not least, a TLDR for my creative director in the markdown file, so I know what I could be doing better. Apify is an entire marketplace with different actors that can take different actions on your behalf. And as you can see up here, they've released their new MCP. If you're not familiar with an MCP, it's basically a bridge between Claude Code and another software. So this MCP allows Claude Code to come inside of the marketplace and find the right actors that can take the right actions for the workflow that I've described for this particular agent, the social media guru. I'll also link the Apify Marketplace link below. And if you guys want to learn how to set up the Apify MCP, go ahead and just ask in the comment section below. I can always do a video on this. And this might be a little hard to see, but I wanted to zoom out to show you guys the skill folder for Creative Director right here. And it has the context folder, the frameworks, the tasks, and the templates of how the output should look. So if I open up Channels MD for the context, we could see the context of the social media handles that it should be locking into, and just a few more details of what it should be looking for. The individual frameworks for the Creative Director, as well as the performance signals that I mentioned were my top priority versus what was not priority to rank off of, the coaching brief at the end of my MD that I asked for, the workflow on how to rank, and then ultimately the output of how the ranking markdown file should look. And of course, this is just scrunched up. Last but not least, we have the ultimate Creative Director skill right here for the overall agent or skill. And now you're thinking, that was super easy. I don't know why I was stressed out about building agents or skills before. Well, now you have the right framework. And I want to show you guys the specific Apify actors that it's chosen to go through the workflow. What we're looking at is the Instagram post scraper, so it can pull my data from Instagram, and then an actor specifically built for pulling the same data but from YouTube instead. Now we can see Creative Director is now available to be run, and when I ran it, it pulled all the correct files from the skill here, and it went through an interview process to ask us if we got the right tags for our social media hunt. And I'd rather just rank on views to keep it simple for now. And now as we can see here, it's calling Apify as per my workflow instructions. And inside of my MCPs, I already have Apify right here. Now, if I come inside Apify's console, I could see Instagram post scraper is the first one that it's running. And there we go, the YouTube scraper just went off. And adding the Apify MCP added another layer of complexity, but you don't need API connectors or MCP, or as I would call them, bridges to other softwares just yet. Your agents can be simple at nature, and you can build on them as you go. To keep you guys on the same page, it fetched all the data from Apify, and now it's just writing the report. Now I have my entire report right here from Instagram and YouTube with my top ranked reels, as well as my carousels. It looked at my all-time bangers that I pinned on my actual feed. It went through my top 10 shorts on YouTube, as well as the top 10 long form pieces that I have. And as we can see at the bottom, the coaching brief is not set up yet, because as per how I set up the skill, I wanted it to transcribe and watch the videos. So this is the last part of the workflow. So in this case, I'm probably just going to end up choosing them all so we can get all the data and then get a full conclusive idea of how this entire workflow is going to run. So it went through and actually analyzed the winners, and it's updating my coach brief right now. So here's the entire coaching brief with all the details, and the workflow is complete. So that's the easiest way to build a skill/agent. And this is a two-part series, because in the next video that I'm going to drop, I'm going to show you how to make these skills or agents run completely without you, so that they can run on a schedule or a simple message from maybe Telegram or Slack. Because as of right now, they're just running on a manual command, which is totally fine. And I have 3 potential autonomous solutions for you. One of which is Hermes, which I prefer over OpenClaw, which can be run on a self-hosted VPS, Claude managed agents, which is the easiest in my opinion. And last, you can connect the NAN MCP server. If you did want to build an autonomous agent, you can build a workflow and let that run autonomously. So we have 3 solutions. We'll go over each in episode 2. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like it and remember to subscribe. And if you guys want to go deeper and work with me on AI systems for your business, consider clicking the first link in the description. You can get my personal operating system for Claude Code, which I call Charlie OS. And our goal is to deliver Charlie OS with a custom roadmap to solve your biggest revenue bottleneck in a 60-day sprint. But on that note, you guys can subscribe and wait for episode 2, where we will showcase the 3 solutions that I have in mind for a fully autonomous skill. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.